What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you are new around here, it would mean the world to me if you would smash the like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Now, SHIB is up 2.76% on the day, and we know it actually regressed a little bit since yesterday's all-time high of the last 3 months, and that was around 15,600 satoshis. Trade volume is cooling off from that 1.7 billion that we saw peak at yesterday to now 1.343. But there are some things that we need to discuss. So the overall cryptocurrency market continues to just kind of consolidate in a slight downward trend. If we look at BTC or Bitcoin over the last 7 days, we know after the FOMC meeting on February 1st, things went off and Bitcoin hit right around $24,200. Followed by some regression over the last 7 days. And this is also due to the fact that, the jobs report came out on Friday and people started worrying because the economy is still a little too hot for people's liking. When I say that, I mean, again, 517,000 jobs added to the United States kind of told people, hey, maybe interest rates are going to continue to hike throughout all of 2023. Even if it's by just a quarter basis point each and every raise, that still means that the economy is still not where it should be. So I think, again, when we look at these things, we might think that crypto might continue to kind of just run sideways or maybe continue to downtrend slightly, which kind of gave people a little less hope than anticipated. But in my opinion, I think, again, as long as we have a strong labor market, but inflation continues to go down, and I think that's what we need to keep looking at is CPI data, then we should have some kind of positive outlook moving forward. But let's go ahead and dive into the article that I want to talk about today. But before I do so, remember there's 15 free stocks waiting for you down below. I kid you not, 15 free stocks. If you deposit no money, just click the link and make an account. You get a free stock and you get a couple other things with Moomoo. But if you deposit 100, you get 5 more. And if you deposit 1,000, you get 15 total stocks. So take advantage of free money when it presents itself to you. Now, Shiba Inu price rebounds 100% after record lows against Dogecoin. More upside ahead. Now, I verified this piece of information because I was like, really 100%? But honestly, over the last even just month and a half, SHIB went down to 7,900 satoshis. And it has doubled ever since if you look at yesterday's intraday high. So again, we saw a 100% rise in Shiba Inu's price action over the last month. So this is actually very accurate. Shiba Inu price was at the lowest versus the top of the rival Dogecoin in November 2022. 3 months later, the dynamics have flipped. SHIB's price rises 100% versus Doge. So on February 4th, the SHIB Doge pair reached right around 1,638 satoshis of Doge, up almost 100% in the last 3 months after bottoming out at that price. And this, of course, is its lowest level on record. The sharp recovery comes as investors' focus shifted to the impending launch of Shibarium, a Shiba Inu backed layer 2 built on the Ethereum mainnet announced on January 16th to be anticipated for launch in 9 days, Valentine's Day. As Cointelegraph reported, the SHIB price rebound gained momentum amid reports of Shibarium will go live on February 14th, as they mentioned there. A little tweet came out from the Doge designer. Hey, at Elon Musk, our tipping pot, my Doge tip got suspended for no reason. It was a good bot used to spread Dogecoin across the community. And he showed a picture on Twitter. And you can see here, Doge's fundamental looked pale with Elon Musk suspending a Doge tipping bot for violating Twitter's rules. Nonetheless, both meme coins have a great start to 2023. The SHIB USD is almost up 85% while Doge is up 36% year to date, only in 2023. So again, we're not going to really dive into technicals and look at that kind of boring stuff right now, though it is important and you should be paying attention to TA. I think the big thing that we need to realize here is we have some immediate catalysts coming. And the question is, will it meet the demands of the community? Burning trillions of tokens, reduction of gas fees, and bringing more utility to the ecosystem. If those 3 things are met, we should be very excited to see where things go because I think, again, for SHIB, it's not about the return to all-time highs for me. Not at all. It's about going back to all-time highs and beyond. Just like we saw May 2021 to October 2022, I want to see something in 2023 and then getting somewhere even higher where we see us eat a zero once again and go over to, again, closer and closer to that top 5 type cryptocurrency where Shiba Inu is sitting at $100+ billion market cap due to mass adoption and the progression of the community and its ecosystem. So I'm excited to see where this goes. I appreciate your support as always. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.